After you have confirmed your account, you can add a profile picture. A profile picture is a photo that represents you on Facebook. To add a profile picture, click on the Add Profile Picture button and select a photo from your computer or phone. Make sure that the photo is clear and shows your face. Step 5. Complete your profile. The next step is to complete your profile. Your profile is the page on Facebook that shows your information and updates. To complete your profile, click on the Edit Profile button. Fill in the field with your information such as your education, work, and interest. You can also add a cover photo, which is a larger photo that appears at the top of your profile. Step 6. Contact with friends. Now that your profile is complete, you can start connecting with friends on Facebook. You can search for friends using their name or email address, or you can import your contacts from your email address book. Once you have found a friend, you can send them a friend request. If they accept your friend request, you will be able to see their updates on your newsfeed and voice areas. Step 7. Explore Facebook. Facebook is a more than just a platform to contact with friends. It offers many features such as groups, page, and events that you can use to explore your interests and content with like-minded people. To explore this feature, click on the menu button. Three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen and select the feature you want to explore. Tips for creating a Facebook account. Here are some tips to help you create a Facebook account. Choose a strong password that is report any inappropriate behavior or contact to Facebook support.